Hello, my friend. Welcome to this slow English practice lesson. Today we will practice English by listening and doing. Listening and doing means you hear English words and you imagine doing the action. This method helps your brain learn faster. It is very good for beginners. It is also good for people who want to improve their confidence. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen. Just repeat. Just feel relaxed. Take a deep breath. Now let us start. Part 1. A simple beginning. My name is Adam. I live in a small town. The town is quiet. There are few cars. There are many trees. People know each other. Every morning I wake up early. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I feel the air in my room. I sit on my bed. I think about the day. I do not hurry. I like slow mornings. I stand up. I wash my face. The water is cold. It wakes me up. I look in the mirror. I see my face. I smile a little. I go to the kitchen. I make tea. The water is hot. The tea smells good. I like tea in the morning. I sit near the window. I look outside. The sky is blue. The sun is rising. Birds are shining. This moment is calm. This moment is peaceful. Part 2. Daily life. After breakfast, I get ready. I wear simple clothes. I like comfort. I do not like stress. I walk to my work. My work is near my home. I work in a small shop. The shop sells books. I like books. Books are quick friends. Books teach many things. In the shop, I clean the floor. I arrange the books. I open the door. The day begins. People come in. Some people buy books. Some people only book. Some people only look. Some people talk with me. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I smile often. At noon, I eat lunch. Lunch is simple. Rice, vegetables and water. I eat slowly. I enjoy each bite. Life is not fast here. Life is not loud. Life is simple. Part 3. Feelings and thoughts. Sometimes I feel happy. Sometimes I feel sad. This is normal. When I feel sad, I do not panic. I sit quietly. I breathe slowly. I ask myself, why do I feel sad? Sometimes I feel lonely. Sometimes I miss people. Sometimes I think too much. I remind myself, it is okay. to feel sad. Sad feelings come. Sad feelings go. I drink water. I take a walk. I look at the sky. Slow moments help me. Part 4. Evening time. In the evening, I close the shop. I walk home again. The sun is low. The sky is orange and pink. The air is cool. People are walking. Children are playing. Dogs are barking softly. At home, I cook food. The food smells good. I eat dinner. After dinner, I rest. I do not use my phone much. I like quiet time. I read a book. I read a book. The book is simple. The story is calm. I feel safe. I feel relaxed. Part 5. Night and sleep. At night, I prepare for bed. I wash my face again. I brush my teeth. I lie in bed. The lights are off. The room is dark. I think about my day. I think about good moments. I think about small smiles. I forgive my mistakes. I let go of stress. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. Sleep comes gently. Part 6. Learning English slowly. Learning English is a journey. Learning English is a journey. It takes time. It needs practice. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to be perfect. Read slowly. Listen carefully. Speak with confidence. Small steps are good steps. Every day, learn a little. Every day, practice a little. Mistakes are teachers. Do not fear them. Part 7. Simple practice tips. Read this text aloud. Read one sentence at a time. Listen to slow English audio. Repeat after the speaker. Speak to yourself. Use simple words. Do not worry about grammar too much. First, focus on meaning. English is a tool. English is not a test part. Part 8. The next morning comes quickly. I wake up before the alarm. The room is still dark. I listen to the soft sounds around me. I sit up slowly. My feet touch the floor. The floor feels cool. I stand near the window. The sky is changing color. I breathe in the fresh air. It feels clean. It feels clean. I make my tea again. The sound of boiling water is soft. I drink my tea in silence. My thoughts move slowly. There is no hurry today. After some time, I leave the house. The street looks familiar. Nothing feels new. Nothing feels old. I walk at my usual pace. At the shop, I unlock the door. The bell makes the same sound. Inside, everything is in its place. I wipe the counter. I arrange a few books. Time passes gently. A woman comes in. A woman comes in. She looks at the shelves. She smiles at me. She smiles at me. I smile back. She buys a book. She buys a book and leaves. The shop becomes quiet again. I sit down. I listen to the clock. Tick tock. I feel steady. In the afternoon, light comes through the window. Dust moves in the air. I watch it without thinking. Later, I eat my lunch. The taste is simple. I feel full. Not just in the body, in the mind too. Evening comes slowly. I close the shop. I walk home. The sky is soft and pale. At home, I rest. I do not do much. That feels enough. Night arrives quietly. I lie down. Part 9. Morning comes again. Light enters the room softly. I wake up without noise. I stretch my arms. I sit quietly for a moment. I listen to my breath. Nothing feels heavy. Nothing feels exciting. That feels fine. Part 10. I walk outside. The street is walking up too. A shop opens nearby. Someone sweeps the road. Life moves slowly here. I walk to my work. My steps feel steady. Part 11. At the shop, I do the same things. I open the door. I clean the space. The smell of books feels familiar. I like familiar things. Time moves without effort. Time moves without effort. Part 12. The fair people come. They look around quickly. I help when needed. I speak little. Words are not always needed. Silence is also communication. Part 30. Part 13. Lunch time comes. I eat simple food. I do not rush. I chew slowly. I feel present. This moment is enough. After lunch, the shop feels sleepy. Light falls gently on the floor. I sit and wait. Waiting feels easy. I am not expecting anything. Outside, clouds move slowly. The sky changes a little. I notice it. Then I let it go. Everything changes quickly. Everything changes quickly. Evening arrives without worrying. I look at the clock. Time has passed. I did not notice. That is a good feeling. I close the shop. I lock the door. I walk home again. The road feels safe. At home, I sit down. I rest my body. I do not think much. Thinking is not needed right now. Thinking is not needed right now. Night comes slowly. Lights turn off on by on. The world becomes quiet. I lie in bed, I feel calm. I close my eyes, the day ends softly. The day ends softly. There is nothing to fix. There is nothing to change. Tomorrow will come, slowly, naturally. I walk toward the window. Outside the street is calm. A few people are already awake. Someone walks slowly. Someone opens a door. The world is starting its day. I watch without thinking much. I go to the kitchen. I fill the kettle with water. The sound of water is soft. I turn on the heat. I wait. Waiting does not feel hard. Soon the water boils. A steam rises gently. I pour the water into my cup. I add tea leaves. The smell fills the room. I hold the warm cup in my hands. The warmth feels comforting. The warmth feels comforting. I take a small sip. The taste is familiar. I did not need anything else. This moment is complete. After finishing my tea, I prepare to leave. I put on my shoes slowly. I check the door. I step outside. The air feels fresh. I start walking toward the shop. The road looks the same every day. Still, I notice a small change. A leaf has fallen. A stone has moved. Life changes quickly. I walk without hurry. At the shop, I unlock the door. The familiar sound greets me. Inside everything is silent. I turn on the light. The shelves appear clearly. Books wait patiently. I clean the counter. I straighten a few books. My hands move easily. I did not think about time. Time passes on its own. The first customer comes in quickly. He looks around. I nod gently. He chooses a book. He pays and leaves. The shop becomes quiet again. I sit down for a moment. I look at the window. Light enters slowly. Dust floats in the air. I watch it move. Nothing special happens. Nothing bad happens. This kind of day feels safe. I feel relaxed. Around midday, I feel hungry. I eat simple food, rice, vegetables, water. I eat slowly. Each bite feels enough. After eating, I sit quietly. My body feels rested. I do not check the time. I let the afternoon move at its pace. A soft breeze enters the shop. It moves the curtain slightly. I notice it and smile. A small things bring calm. Another customer comes. She asks for a book. I help her find it. She thanks me and leaves. Silence returns. I enjoy the silence. It is not empty, it is full of peace. The afternoon grows quieter. The afternoon grows quieter. Light changes its color. Shadows move slowly. I notice but do not hold on. Sometimes my thoughts wander. I think about yesterday. I think about tomorrow. Then I come back to now. Now feels gentle. I stand up and straight. My body feels fine, no pain, no hurry. Outside the street, stays calm. People move slowly, no one seems in a rush. The world breathes together. Evening approaches quietly. I start arranging things. I start arranging things. I start arranging things. I prepare to close the shop. I lock the door. The day at work ends. It ends without drama. I walk home again. The sky is soft in color. The air is cool. I breathe deeply. My steps feel light. I am not tired. I am not excited. I am balanced. At home, I wash my hands. I sit down for a moment. I let my body rest. I prepare dinner. The sounds are gentle. Cutting, cooking, waiting. I eat my meal slowly. I eat my meal slowly. I do not rush. Food tastes better this way. After dinner, I clean up. I move calmly. Nothing needs to be fast. I sit near the window again. The street is quiet now. Lights slow softly. Light settles in. The world becomes still. I feel safe. I change into comfortable clothes. My body relaxes. I lie on the bed. The room is dark. The air is quiet. I think about the day. Nothing stands out. That is okay. Not every day needs a story. Some days are just days. They still matter. I take a deep breath. I let go of small thoughts. Sleep comes slowly. I do not fight it. I welcome it. My body rests. My mind rests. My mind rests. The night passes gently. Another day waits ahead. I am ready. Life continues. Slow, simple, steady. Morning light touches the room again very softly. I open my eyes. I do not move at once. I stay still. The bed feels warm. The air feels quiet. I take a slow breath. I sit up gently. My body feels rested. No pain, no pressure, just a calm start. I stand and walk to the window. Outside, the street looks familiar. Nothing has changed much. That feels comforting. That feels comforting. I go to the kitchen. The pour water into the kettle. The small sound feels peaceful. I wait for the water to boil. Waiting feels natural now. I am not counting time. I make my tea. The smell fills the space. It feels like home. I drink slowly. Ship is warm. I feel awake but calm. My thoughts come and go. I do not stop them. I do not stop them. I do not follow them. After tea, I prepare to leave. Shoes on, door closed, another simple start. Outside, the air is cool. I begin walking. My steps match my breath. The road is quiet. A bird feels past. A door opens somewhere. Light moves gently. I reach that shop. I unlock the door. The sound is familiar. Inside, silence waits. I turn on the lights. The shelves appear slowly. I clean the counter. My hands now the work. No, nothing needed. Time passes without notice. Minutes turn into hours. I remain present. I customer enters. We exchange a few words, simple, kind. After he leaves, quit, returns. I welcome it. I sit and look outside. Light moves across the floor. I follow it with my eyes. Nothing calls my attention. That feels good. Hunger comes gently. I eat my lunch. The taste is plain. The taste is plain. Enough. After eating, I rest a little. No phone, no noise, just stillness. The afternoon stretches slowly. The shop feels warm. I stand and stretch my back. My body responds well. I soft sound from outside, footsteps passing by, then gone. I smile slightly. A small sounds remind me I am here. Light changes again. Shadows grow longer. Evening approaches. I start putting things in place. Not rushing. Just preparing. The shop closes for the day. I lock the door. Work ends quickly. I walk home. The sky looks gentle. The air feels lighter. My steps slow down. There is no reason to hurry. At home, I wash my face. Cool water refreshes me. I sit down and rest. The chair feels comfortable. I prepare dinner. The routine feels easy. I eat slowly. I chew carefully. I enjoy the calm. After dinner, I clean up. No rush. Everything can wait. I sit near the window again. Night has arrived. Lights slow softly. The street is quiet now. Most people are inside. I feel settled. The day feels complete. I prepare for sleep. I change clothes. I turn off the light. I lie down. My body relaxes. My mind slows. Thoughts fade gently. Sleep comes naturally. The morning arrives in a very quiet way, without any sound that can disturb me. I open my eyes slowly and stay in bed for some time. I do not check the clock. I do not think about what time it is. I only notice the light coming into the room and the soft feeling of the blanket around me. My breathing is slow and my body feels rested. This kind of morning makes me feel steady, like nothing is pushing me forward. After a while, I sit up and place my feet on the floor. The floor feels cool and it helps me wake up gently. I stand and stretch my arms, not too much, just enough to feel my body. I walk toward the window and look outside. The street looks the same, yes, always calm and familiar. A few people are moving, but no one seems to be in a hurry. Seeing this makes me feel relaxed. I go to the kitchen and start making tea. I fill the kettle with water and put it on the stove. While I wait, I do nothing else. I just stand there and listen to the small sounds around me. When the water starts to boil, steam rises slowly. I pour the hot water into my cup and add tea leaves. The smell spreads in the room and makes the space feel warm and safe. I sit down with my tea and drink it slowly. Each sip feels warm and comforting. I do not think about work or plans. I only focus on the taste and the warmth in my hands. My thoughts come and go, but I do not hold on to them. This quiet time helps me feel ready for the day, even though the day will be simple and ordinary. When I finish my tea, I get ready to leave the house. I put on my shoes and check the door. Everything feels familiar, and that familiarity gives me comfort. I step outside and take a deep breath. The air feels fresh and the morning feels open. I start walking toward the shop at my usual pace, not fast and not slow. As I walk, I notice small things on the road. A leaf has fallen near the sidewalk. A bird sides on a wire. A bird sides on a wire above me. These small details do not change my life, but they make the walk feel alive. I keep moving forward, letting my steps follow on another. Naturally, there is no rush to each anywhere quickly. When I reach the shop, I unlock the door and step inside. The silence welcomes me. I turn on the lights and look around. The shelves are full of books, just as they were yesterday. I clean the counter and arrange a few books that are slightly out of place. My hands move easily as if they know exactly what to do without any effort from my mind. The morning at the shop passes quickly. A few people come in, look around, and leave. Some buy books and some only browse. I speak when needed and I listen when people talk. There is no pressure to say much. The quiet space feels comfortable and time moves without me to noticing it too much. Around midday, I feel hungry and eat my lunch. The food is simple but it fills me. I eat slowly and give myself enough time. After eating, I sit back and rest for a while. I do not use my phone, I do not think about anything important. I just let the afternoon settle around me, calm and steady. The afternoon slowly moves forward and I remain in the shop without any feelings of hurry. The light outside changes little by little and I can see the shadows on the floor becoming longer. I sit quietly behind the counter and allow time to pass on its own. I do not try to control the day, I only stay present in it, letting each moment come and go naturally. Sometimes my thoughts become quiet and sometimes they wander gently. I think about small things like what I will eat in the evening or how the weather might be tomorrow. These thoughts do not disturb me, they feel light and simple. I let them pass just like clouds passing in the sky. Being calm with my thoughts feels like learning how to be patient with myself. A few more people enter the shop before evening. Each person moves differently, speaks differently, and leaves their own small presence behind. I greet them softly and help when needed. When they leave, the silence returns again. This pattern feels natural to me now. Noise comes and goes, but calm always returns. Yes, evening comes closer. I begin to prepare to close the shop. I arrange the books properly and clean the counter on last time. My movements are slow and careful. I am not tired, but I am ready to end the day's work. Outside, the sky changes color, becoming soft and gentle. The day slowly prepares to rest. I lock the shop door and start walking home. The street feels color now, and the air touches my face softly. Lights turn on in houses and shops on by on. People walk past me quietly, each going to their own place. I walk at my own pace, feeling safe and steady with every step. When I reach home, I wash my hands and sit down for a few moments. My body feels relaxed after the walk. I prepare dinner slowly, listening to the small sounds in the kitchen. Looking feels peaceful when there is no rush. The food smells simple and warm, and it makes the space feel welcoming. I eat my dinner calmly, giving myself time to enjoy it. I do not hurry to finish after eating. I clean the dishes and deep I clean the dishes and keep everything in its place. These small actions feel meaningful in their own quiet way. They help me feel settled and complete at the end of the day. Later, I sit near the window and look outside the street in quiet now, and most people are inside their homes. The night feels calm and safe. I take a deep breath and feel thankful for the simple day. I had nothing big happened, but nothing went wrong either, and that feels enough. As night grows deeper, I prepare for sleep. I change into comfortable clothes and turn off the lights. The room becomes dark and quiet. I lie down on the bed and let my body relax. My mind slowly lets go of the day, releasing small thoughts on by on. I close my eyes and breathe slowly. The day ends without noise, without pressure, and without regret. I feel calm, steady, and at peace. Tomorrow will come in its own time, just like today did. Life continues in this simple rhythm, moving forward gently with this feeling. Sleep comes softly, and the story rests here.